In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the product ID on Shopify in 23 seconds. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to copy the ID you need for apps, automations, or support tickets. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without pausing. First, open your Shopify admin. This is your store's back office where you manage products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to view products. If you have multiple stores under your login, double-check that you're in the right one before continuing. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser and keep the address bar visible, because that's where the product ID will appear in a moment. Next, from the admin home, head to the Products section. You'll find it in the main navigation on the left. Clicking Products loads a list of everything you sell, including active items, drafts, and archived listings. If you have a long catalog, you can type a keyword into the search box at the top to jump straight to the item you want. The process is the same no matter how many products you have, and you don't need any special settings turned on. All we're doing is opening the product's details page. Now, click the product you want to inspect. I'll use Classic Long Sleeve as the example. The product details page will open. Look up at your browser's address bar. In the product admin URL, you'll see a long number at the end of the path after products. That long number is the product ID. It's different from the product handle you might see on your storefront. The handle is made of words and dashes, while the product ID is strictly numeric. To copy it, highlight only the number portion and copy it like you would any text. If you accidentally land on a specific variant, you may see a different long number. That would be a variant ID. To stay on the product ID, make sure you're viewing the main product page rather than drilling into a single variant. If your browser trims long URLs, click into the address bar once to reveal the full path, then copy the number. That's all there is to it. Open your Shopify admin, go to Products, and open the product. The product ID is the long number in the URL. Keep it handy for integrations, reporting, API usage, or when a support team asks for it. If you don't see a number, confirm you're in the admin, not the public storefront, and that you've opened a product and not a